This is my YouTube channel, Imprint Manufacturing, and I hear this question a lot.
What would you say you do here?
I'm just sick of all the amateur stuff, you know? I mean, like, if I'm paying top dollar, I want a little production value, you know? Like some editing, transition, something, some music.
I'm lucky. There's a reason why I'm here, and I'll know when I know. Everything usually just kind of works out for me.
I hope you kids see what a silly waste of resources this was.
Welcome to the new workshop. As you can see, this space looks like an episode of Hoarders and as unorganized as a Zack Snyder movie. However, once I begin construction, this room will be transformed.
And here's the thing, it'll give us so much extra space in our room to do activities.
You know, nobody really asked me questions like, Mitchell, how could you construct a workshop in a standard garage as quick as possible? It's probably because I'm not a Lowe's Pro member. Forget that speed square. Go get some 2x4s and start warming up the printer. I present the acceleration square. This carefully designed heap of bonded plastic will unite any 2x4s to a perfect 90-degree union, and it's so easy, even your grandma could become a carpenter. Even with the main area built, there's always more I think I could be doing to enhance my workshop.
There's a lot of potential for aggressive expansion.
I'm like a young Michelangelo. Except I try to make my 3D printers do all my work for me. I also don't have like 4 years to be working on this project, so there's that. Every workshop needs some organizational mounts and brackets, and luckily I made these on the 3D printer. Introducing the wall bracket and the wall hook. These are ASA printed parts and will take care of any unorganized mess and clean up your floors, as long as they can fit on a hook or a bracket. And did I mention installation? It's so easy, you'll be wondering what else you needed to do today. But wait, there's more. I had so much ASA filament to print, I designed a brand new spray can mount. Or any other circular item that could fit, like some wood glue, paint, oil, car product. Each mount can interlock with each other or not. You decide, knowing your item is mounted securely. With the power of a 3D printer, some ASA filament, and some old reliable 2x4s, I present how the workshop looks now. It's a good start, and I'll probably keep chipping away because there's no such thing as a completed design, only the next project. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a new video. Be sure to leave a like and check out the links that are listed in the description of this video. Until next time, I hope your projects turn out awesome.